So while my printer in there is printing out an epic vase, still going strong, thought I would show everybody the other project that I'm working on simultaneously. So from a previous printer, I had this, it's kind of overkill, Titan Aero extruder, which had a 2.75 millimeter filament in it. Got that connected to a Duet Wi-Fi, which I've bought for a printer that I haven't built yet. And then inside of here, there's a Forstner bit attached to a drill press. See if you can see it spinning. So inside of here, I've got 3 bearings kind of holding the Forstner bit straight, attached to drill press. Inside of some pipe. And then the idea is just to have this running, and I'll take some filament. And so this is HDPE. I've got some spools of that I've already made. It's just recycled milk jugs. And then here on the ground is some recycled PET. So type 1 that I'm sorting, I'm sifting, filtering, drying, running it through my Philbot here. So basically what I'm going to end up doing, I'm finding that the process of pulling it and straight into the pelletizer isn't working great. So what I'll do is I'll extrude it, dump it off into a trash can, and then once I'm done kind of with the current batch, I'll grab the end out of the trash can and feed it into the stepper motor straight into here. I'll put something a little more sophisticated, but then what I end up with is pellets. So once I get the sizing, these were just kind of hand fed just to make sure that the chopping process worked. So once I get it all mechanical so that the stepper motor's moving at a consistent speed, I should get pretty consistent chip sizes. And then my hope is that these will feed into the pellet extruder for the printer a little bit easier than some just raw flake. Flake has a tendency to grab each other. It's got sharp edges. Also, since I'm recycling soda bottles and water bottles, it's all very flat. So by turning it into pellets, it should feed through a little bit easier. So this is the side project I'm working on while I'm waiting for parts and things to work on this guy. So I've still got another 2 hours while this vase finishes printing up. So I'll probably A, do some tidying, and B, see if I can get this guy up and running.